Exercise 7.3. Find the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are length equal to 12 centimeter, breadth equal to 8 centimeter, and height equal to 6 centimeter. Dear students, as you know how to find the volume of a cuboid, it was well explained in the class. Now we will solve the exercise and we will find the cuboid volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are length. Here first sum we have to solve, given that length equal to 12 centimeter, b equal to 8 centimeter, and h height equal to 6 centimeter. We know that the formula for finding the dimension, finding the volume of cuboid is the product of length, breadth, and height in cubic units. So the length is 12 into breadth is 8 into height is 6 and the unit is centimeter, so it is centimeter cube. So it is 12 8 ja 96 into 6. We have to find 6 6 ja 36, 3 carry 54 plus 3, 576 centimeter cube is the volume of the first problem, and the second problem is length equal to 60 centimeter, breadth is 25 meter, and the height is 1.5 meter. So this is we have to solve now. Again, the volume of cuboid formula we know that. So volume of cuboid is the product of length, breadth, and height cubic units. So we will find the volume using this formula. So it is 60 into 25 into 1.5 meter cube we have to write now. Now 25 6 ja we already know what is 25 6 ja. It is 150, and this 0 we have to write into 1.5. So here because of this one decimal point 10 we can remove. So it is 150 into 15, and we already know what is 15 into 15. 15 into 15 is 225, and this 10 we have to write at last. So it is 2250 meter cube. Now we will take the second problem and we will solve. The second problem is given. You can note down this problem. Let us reduce this one, and now you can note, you can write down, you can take the screenshot, and you can write afterwards anything you can do. So I think you have completed this with me. So whenever you watch the class, you should have a classwork with you, and you must write with me. Okay, so I think you have completed, and now we can move to the next problem. Second problem. The second problem is the dimension of a matchbox are 6 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter. Find the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes. So first we note down the length, breadth, and height of the matchbox. So the dimension of matchbox are length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 3.5 centimeter, and height is 2.5 centimeter. Now we have the volume of a packet containing 12 match boxes. So volume of one match box we will find first. So one match box is given by volume of one match box is given by the formula L into B into H cubic units, which is 6 into 3.5 into 2.5 centimeter cube. Now two decimal places are there. So you can have this one. First we know that 6 into 25 is easy, it is 150 and one decimal point. So we will write one point from the back, we can count and write, and 0 will be removed into 3.5. Now it is 15 into 3.5. So you multiply this one, 15 into 35, it is 15 5 is 75, 15 3 is 45, 0 here, 5 12 525 and one decimal point. So it is 52.5 meter cube, centimeter cube for one matchbox. Now it is, we have to find the volume of 12 packet, volume of a packet containing 12 matchboxes. Packet containing 12 matchboxes. So volume of packet containing 12 matchboxes is what volume of one matchbox is multiplied by 12 into 12. So it is 52.5 into 12 you have to do. So it is 1050 525. So it is 0 0 3 6300 one decimal point. At last it is 630 centimeter cube. You will have volume of the packet containing 12 matchboxes. So this is how we have completed the problem 2. You can write in your classwork. I think you have completed in your classwork. Let us move for the next problem, which is the length, breadth and height of a chocolate box are in the ratio 5 is to 4 is to 3. If its volume is 7500 centimeter cube, then find its dimension. So this problem we already have seen in the example. A similar problem is given. In the same way we can solve this problem, and now we will solve this. The ratio of the dimensions are given, length, breadth and height. So we have to write, let the ratio of the dimensions of a chocolate box is equal to 5 is to 3, 4 is to 3. We can take this one as 5x is to 4x is to 3x. And we know the volume is 7500 centimeter cube. So volume of the box is 7500 centimeter cube. Volume means the product of length, breadth and height. So we have the ratio of this. So we can take the length as 5x, which is L into B into H, isn't it? Is 7500 centimeter cube, and this is now 5x into 4x into 3x equal to 7500. Now we have to write, find the product of 5, 4 and 3. 5 4 is 20, 23 is 60, and x into x is x cube, which is equal to 7500. X cube is equal to 7500. The 60 will move to the right hand side, it becomes division, and we will get 750 by 6. Again in 3, in the table of 6 directly you can cancel one time, then 12 two times, 3 remaining 35 times. So it is 125, which is the cube of 5. Since in the left hand side we have the form of cube, x cube, so we can find the cube of this one, and x is the cube root of 5 cube. So x is the cube root of 5 cube, which is 5. It is in centimeter, so therefore x equal to 5 centimeter. Now we can have this one for the length, breadth and height. Length is equal to 5x, which is 5 into 5, 25 centimeter we can have. Breadth equal to 4x, which is equal to 4 into 5 equal to 20 centimeter, and height h equal to 3x, which is equal to 3 into 5, 15 centimeter. So this is how we have to find the height of the length, breadth and height when the ratio of the dimensions are given and volume is given. So you can just note down this. You can see this problem on the screen, that complete problem, and you can note down in your problem in your classwork, or you can take the screenshot and you can write after the class. So I think you have completed this. Let us move to the next problem.